Sometimes being a true friend means giving space. Jesus understood that there are moments when people need time apart to heal or reflect. Whether it's for reconciliation or a peaceful separation, giving space can be an act of love. It allows both parties to grow and come back stronger, or to part ways with respect and understanding. Remember, even Jesus took time alone to pray and reflect. So don't be afraid to give space when it's needed. It can be a powerful way to show love and respect. Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something incredibly important: friendship. But not just any friendship. Friendship the way Jesus taught us. How can we be real friends the way Jesus was to his disciples and to the world? Let's dive in. First off, love like Jesus loved. Remember, Jesus said, "Love one another as I have loved you." That means loving unconditionally without expecting anything in return. When we love this way, we reflect the heart of Christ and create deep, meaningful connections. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. Second, initiate connection. Jesus didn't wait for people to come to him. He reached out. He spent quality time with his friends, sharing meals, traveling together, and having deep conversations. In today's busy world, it's easy to lose touch, but real friendship requires effort. Make that call, send that text, plan that coffee date. Be present. Next, meet people's needs according to their love language. Jesus had an amazing way of meeting people right where they were. Whether it was healing the sick, feeding the hungry, or simply listening, he showed love in ways people could understand and feel. Take time to understand what makes your friends feel valued and loved. Is it words of affirmation, acts of service, gifts, quality time, or physical touch? Cater your friendship to their needs. Another key point: promote justice and unity. Jesus was all about lifting up the marginalized and bringing people together. Real friends stand up for each other and fight for what's right. Are you promoting justice and unity in your friendships? Stand up for your friends, especially in times of need. Be a voice for the voiceless and a unifier in times of division. Lastly, be forgiving. Jesus taught us to forgive not just 7 times, but 70 times 7. Friendships will have their ups and downs. Mistakes will be made, and feelings will get hurt. But forgiveness is the glue that holds relationships together. Let go of grudges and show grace, just as Jesus did. So, to wrap it up, being a real friend like Jesus means loving unconditionally, initiating connection, meeting needs in their love language, promoting justice and unity, and practicing forgiveness, and also giving space for reconciliation or separation with respect and in peace. It's about reflecting his love in every interaction. Let's strive to be the kind of friend Jesus was, because the world needs more of that. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. God bless, and be a real friend, Jesus' way.